Hey there, welcome back. Franco here with simplefreedom.com. So I've been an email subscriber of the KC Daily Dispatch for years, and I get investment information, contrarian views, independent investing kind of stuff. Gold, they're huge on gold and precious metals as a hedge against chaos. So I want to go through this email because it's just more and more. I'm just telling you, I'm sharing with you this information as I receive it myself so that there is no time delay in getting this information to you so you can see what's really going on that's not being covered anywhere else in mainstream media. Okay, so that you can be one of the first ones to understand what's going on beneath the surface with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So the subject line says, this major gold investor is buying into Bitcoin, and it's from KC Daily Dispatch. And so I'm thinking, wow, what's going on now? So I open up the email and it says, this major gold investor is buying into Bitcoin. And this is the editor of the Palm Beach Confidential. Van Eck is one of the biggest asset managers in the United States. The firm opened in 1955, and in 1968 it launched the Van Eck International Investors Gold Fund, the first U.S. gold fund. Today, Van Eck's exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, have $30 billion in assets under management. That's more than ETF issuers JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and Barclays. The company offers more than 50 ETFs, and it manages assets for over 400 institutions, including banks, pension funds, and endowments. Okay, so they're running the money for banks, pension funds, and endowments, over 400 institutions. I want you to understand that as we go through here. Here's the thing about Van Eck. It specializes in precious metals. Most of his assets are gold investments, and it runs some of the world's largest gold funds. But now the company's making the jump into Bitcoin. On August 11th, Van Eck filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, for the Van Eck Vectors Bitcoin Strategy ETF. The fund would initially invest in Bitcoin futures contracts and trade on NASDAQ. It's no surprise Van Eck is launching a Bitcoin ETF. The cryptocurrency has vastly outperformed gold this year. See the chart below, and here you could see how it's gone literally from 700 or so in January, 700 or 800, all the way up above 4,200. I believe I checked right now with CoinMarketCap, it's 4,300, and that is today, Thursday, August 24th, 2017. Right, so you can see Bitcoin is up 310% since the start of the year, while gold is up 11%. As you can see, Bitcoin has crushed gold this year. Bitcoin is up 310% since January, while gold has gained only 11%. Still good though. Don't get me wrong, I like gold. I own it and suggest that my subscribers have a portion of their assets in gold. But the global gold market is already worth $7 trillion. With a market that size, it just can't compete with the profit potential of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a market cap of just $66 billion. Notice how these mega money management industry guys, 66 billion is, how cute. How cute. It's such a little market, right? Bitcoin has a market cap of just $66 billion. It doesn't have to displace gold to rise another 10 times from here. Check this part out, guys. It just needs to become an alternative chaos hedge, and we can see Bitcoin at $40,000 per coin. We're already seeing Bitcoin become a safe haven asset in crisis-stricken countries like Venezuela, Greece, and Cyprus. People are turning to it to protect their wealth from inflationary government policies and capital controls. The smart operators at Van Eck understand the potential of Bitcoin. Not only is it a great investment, but it's also a safe haven like gold. It's not better than gold or whatever. It's a safe haven like gold. That's why they're pushing ahead with their own ETF. Here's what Van Eck said about Bitcoin. Van Eck believes that the technology underlying digital assets known as distributed ledger technology, or what we know as blockchain, has tremendous potential to revolutionize finance and trade. Digital assets are an investable asset class in their own right and continue to be integrated into the broader economy. So he goes on to say here, don't let all that high-minded talk fool you. The folks at VanEck see the upside potential in Bitcoin. They know they can make millions in fees getting into the Bitcoin ETF business early. I'm certain we'll see more traditional asset managers like VanEck eagerly lining up to launch Bitcoin ETFs. We don't know whether the SEC will approve this ETF, but this is the latest evidence that Bitcoin is becoming mainstream. As more people adopt Bitcoin, we could see a price of $5,000 this year. Goes on to say, we remain very bullish on Bitcoin. You should own some today. Let the game come to you, right? And there we go, guys. So that is straight out of KC Daily Dispatch. Major gold investors buying into Bitcoin. They see it potentially going up to 40,000. They see it by the end of the year being in the 5,000 arena. It's time to get informed. So click the link down below if you want to get more informed. I've got a couple of free micro courses on the basics of Bitcoin. I'll link to them down below wherever you see this video, on YouTube, down in the description, on the blog, down below the video post, on Facebook, down below the post in the first comments, or in the post itself. And I'll lead you into that. It's free. You don't have to opt into any lead capture page or anything like that. But you need to get informed, and at least you need to learn how to buy your first Bitcoin. It doesn't matter whether you buy $100 worth, $50 worth, $1,000 worth. This is not about a BizOp or a program. It is about me trying to give you the information ahead of the mainstream and getting you to at least get in the game. Own some Bitcoin. Start learning about cryptocurrency. Anyway, click the links below. Get informed. If you have any questions, reach me on Facebook. It's the easiest way. Just send me a message there. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.